Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create AI logos completely free of charge using a very simple free to use AI tool called PixNova. Okay, so to access PixNova, all you need is to start by coming to your browser, go to the search bar and just search for PixNova AI, just like so, and hit on enter. You see it over here, PixNova AI, an all-in-one AI photo generator and design tool. So you can click to open it. As usual, there are so many things that you can do with PixNova AI art. You can do face swap, AI face swap, multiple face swap, and face swap, GIS face swap, and so many more. AI font tools. You have you can change clothes, AI photo anime, tattoo creation, AI sticker generation, and so on. You have other AI tools, AI photo tools, so many of them. You can see AI headshot generator, image extender, image face enhancer, image face cutout, and so much more. Okay, so but our main target for today is on how to create logo from this particular tool. You have watermark remover and then object remover as well. Okay, so our target for today is AI logo generator. So you can access it from here. You can see AI logo generator. It's a very cool one that people have been coming after. You can see the sample of images or sample logos that it has generated directly. You can see free AI logo generator, and you can use any of the tools that we've just highlighted completely free of charge. So design a logo now. You can just click and it will bring you over here. So all you need is to enter the brand name. For example, let's say we have Epic Mentorship, for example, and then we can have creative ideas for icons. This is optional. If you want to describe anything, you can say, let's say this is an educational logo. Okay. Then you can have industry. What kind of industry are you dealing with? You can see series of them that you can choose from. For now, let's say we go with education. Okay, so this is something related to education, and then you have styles. If you have a given style, you can choose from directly. Let's go with this batch. I kind of like this, and then we can go ahead and say generate. And let's give some seconds to see what this is going to generate for us. You can see generating success, and it's just going to bring in the logo for you. So this is what they have created. I think it looks fine, but then if you want more variation, you can create more, you can generate more. Of course, you can download it if you're interested. If this is what you want, you can just go ahead and download it directly by clicking here, and you can see your logo is downloaded easily. But if you want to generate another one, you can, for example, go with something like this and say generate, and let's see what it is going to give us. Yeah, I think I kind of like this one. This is much better. Epic Mentorship. You can see the logo. It looks somehow matured, better than the other one. So you can click also to download it, and you can start using it for your content. Depending, if you want something like this as well, you can go ahead and generate. And in a matter of seconds, I think this one also looks kind of fantastic and nice. So depending on what kind of creation you have, you can picture how the logo is going to look like, and you can just paste in directly, and you can download your logo very easily. You can just click to have a view of your logo. You can see very nicely done. If you like, you can try this one also if you're interested. I think this is very, very nice. So you can explore and see for your own, on your own, what you can do with it, how you can actually use it to your own advantage. So let's try one more tool based on this, even though our main target is AI logo design, but then you can try something else. So let's say we'll go on and say we try this AI background removal. So we can just click here, and then we can select an image, and let's say we just upload the image, and then we can remove the background. So let's say we'll go with something like this. This is a thumbnail that I make, but then you can use this to remove the background, and let's see the result that it is going to give us. And you can see wonderfully the image has been removed, the background has been removed, and it was done perfectly as I wanted. Because when you look at the image, it is something like this. Let me show you. Okay, this is the image. Okay, you can see it has removed everything, including the text, and it has just left the man alone. So this is wonderful. I think you can try it, and then you can change the background color if you want it to be plain or colored, or yellow or something like that, you can change and then you can download. But I want it to stay transparent, and then you can just go ahead and download. You can see you've just downloaded it. The only caveat to this is that all of the tools you see here are completely free to use. The only caveat to this is that the images will be removed in 1 day. Okay, so you have to click here to remove it now. If you want to remove it now, you can remove it, but then in 1 day it will be removed. That's just it. So once you finish creating your image, you have to export it. So this conclude this simple tutorial on how to use this PixNova AI to generate to go from a text to logo, to create AI logos, and even to use some other features like the remove image background completely free of charge. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like if you do. Thank you and see you around.